So the way this board works, the switches are what's called toggle switches, and that means when you press the button, the power goes to the device and it stays on until you press the button again. So button A is for the flickering LED. So if I press the button, you can see the LED starts to work and it will stay on until I press it again to turn it off. And this way you can control which of the devices you're using at one time. You can turn them all on, turn them all off, just have one on. So we'll go through the 4 channels. The first channel is for the flickering light. The second channel is for the smoke generator and the fan. We'll just give that a little minute to heat up and start generating smoke. The third channel is for the motor. So now the motor's turning around. And the fourth channel is for the lights. So press that and then the lights come on. And there's our smoke generator starting to make some smoke. And there you go. And I think once the chimney is attached, you'll actually look a little bit better and the fan will work to blow the smoke up the chimney stack. So that's it. So now we can control 4 devices inside a model kit using just the remote. And because this is an RF remote, it doesn't need to have an infrared. It's done through the airwaves, so you don't have to point it anywhere near the device for it to work. There you go. So then we can start turning things off. I'll press button A again, and that will turn off the flickering LED. And turn off button C. And then the motor stops turning. And we turn off button D. And the lights go out. You can have any combination. That's it. And the only thing left to do now is to fit this inside the model kit. This is what's called a proto board. So obviously the final circuit board is going to be much smaller than this. But this is what we do when we're designing circuits. It allows us to wire everything up, make sure everything works. And now we know everything works, we can now make this into a small circuit board which should easily fit inside the main section of the steam engine. So any questions, just post in the forum, but there we go. That's using a 4-channel RF remote to control devices for your model kits.